Welcome everyone. We are excited to announce our latest project, an exercise program called 21 Days of Holiday Gains. The intent behind this program is to offer up people an alternative to their normal, say 1 hour gym sessions. If you simply don't have time for that throughout this holiday season. So these workouts will be very time efficient. Think about 10 to 30 minutes and also require either no or very minimal equipment. So regardless of where you are, whether you're just at home and don't have time to make it to the gym, or you're staying with your grandparents, your in-laws, whatever, you just have your body weight, you can have this program on hand and stay active throughout the holiday season. By no means is it trying to replace a well-organized plan. You even can do a mixture of your own typical workout plan and a handful of days you do these kind of more minimal effective dose style workouts. Workout plan itself will be a mixture of 8 different body weight only workouts. It will have 9 different dumbbell only workouts and then 4 hotel gym friendly workouts. So again, regardless of your environment, you'll be able to find something within the program to have something quick and effective. You will have access to the program for a full 1 year after you purchase it. So again, anytime you're traveling or simply just don't have time to make it to the gym, even if it's outside of the holiday season, you can use this for a good reference point to get in some quality training. And finally, like any exercise program that we launch, it will have descriptions of how to actually execute the workouts, and it will have video demonstrations in case you're confused on what maybe a niche exercise could be. So we're very excited about this project. We do know staying active for people is challenging around November, December, January. There's a lot of things going on. So hopefully this can be a piece to make that process a lot easier. As always, if you have any questions for us, feel free to drop them in the YouTube comments or shoot us a direct message. Our Instagram is just at MyoBrain if you want to find us there. And hopefully your holiday season is getting off to a great start.